In this video, I will show you how to cancel Surfshark free trial. So friends, if you have a free trial or membership, all you have to do, follow me in this video. So guys, go to direct to the payment option. From the payment option, select your cancellation. You see a cancellation free trial from here, guys. You see a cancellation option. If you have any, you see here. As you can see here from here, and then go to my subscription, go to my account, and then go to my subscription. From go to payment, and what you have go to payment, guys, you see this mobile payment. Then click cancel your auto renewal. This is how you can do. If you have any problem, you can reach a contact support from here, guys. Click live chat and then write your name and your email and then enter. From here, write your cancellation, write your cancel membership. From here you can cancel through chat. Just go to my account, guys, abonnement and payment. From payment, click cancel. This is how you can do. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.